On this video today, I'm going to be field stripping and cleaning the Bersa Thunder 380. Actually just doing the cleaning of it. It really needs some cleaning, you know, if you look at it. But, you know, what I'm gonna do is go on and drop the mag. The mag is empty. And the gun is empty. So I'm gonna go on and give the tabletop view when I field strip and clean it. So to the table. No magazine, nothing in the chamber. I'm gonna start with field stripping. So let's go ahead and has a decocker. Decock the pistol. And it's this lever here. You pull this lever down and you pull the slide back with some force so you can, let me show you see if I can show you from side view. Pull it back with force so you can lift the back of the slide up, and then you just remove the slide that way. You have the spring there. You can remove the spring. And it is a fixed barrel, so the barrel does not get removed. The barrel is fixed to the frame. And this gun, it isn't filthy, but it does need a good cleaning. So I got little Q-tips, got some CLP, and I guess I'll start with the slide first. I'm gonna start with this toothbrush here. This trusty old toothbrush. And this is just your typical CLP cleaner, lubricant, protectant. And now that I have all of this on it, on the outside, let that sit for a second. And get to the inside of the slide. This is chambered in 380, but you can use, you know, a 9mm jag to clean the barrel without, you know, worrying. Because it's not that much of a difference between a 380 casing or a 380 bullet and a 9mm bullet. Just to show you, this is a 380 hollow point, and this is a 9mm, you know, range bullet that has no primer. But if you look at the case, it's almost identical. Then when you look at the bullet itself, you can see that the 9mm bullet is slightly bigger, but not that big of a deal where to make that much of a difference. So, you know, you can, just showing you that, give you a close-up look to let you know that you can use 9mm brushes or jags, you know, to clean a 380. Same with a 22 and 25, if you needed to know. And with this being a fixed barrel, you know, you just put your little rod in, cleaning rod, and push it through. With the muzzle, as you can see, this barrel wasn't too dirty on the inside. Let's see, one more cloth through it. For some reason, my camera stopped recording, and I checked to see where I was last at, and I was at where I was cleaning the barrel. When I finished cleaning the barrel, I ran the cloth lightly oiled through the barrel after the cleaning, wiping the excess oil off, and then I'm going to reassemble it. So you put a little bit of lightly oil the rails. We'll drop there, drop there. And for this one, the reassembly is like the disassembly, where you put the spring and barrel. Let me see if I can get this on camera. But you get it on like that, and you pull that lever down. You pull the slide all the way back to the rear with some force, until it goes back on, and release that lever. Do a function check. Get that oil a little bit up, a little bit in there. I don't like that sound. There's things that could be done to fix that, but for this gun, it's not worth doing, I wouldn't say, unless you want to keep this around for a while. But in order to do a full functions check, this gun does have a magazine disconnect, so without the magazine, you have a dead trigger. The magazine there is empty, and put the safety on. Decut. Fire. So there y'all have it, y'all. The Bersa Thunder 380. Fair strip clean, reassembled. And this gun could really have some detailed cleaning, but this is just a quick clean to go to the range. Nothing major. So until next time, y'all, Mega Guns, think Mega TV, think greater than, and above all, be responsible. Bang, 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 bang.